Changing your profile picture on Google Wallet is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your image easily. Step 1. Open Google Wallet. Launch the Google Wallet app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Access Profile Settings. Tap on your profile icon or the menu option in the app. Look for the Settings or Profile section where you can manage your account details. Step 3. Select Change Profile Picture. In the Profile settings, find the option to change your profile picture. This may be labeled as Edit Profile or Change Picture. Step 4. Choose a new picture. You will be prompted to select a new picture. You can either take a new photo using your camera or choose an existing image from your gallery. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your new profile picture, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save button or confirmation prompt to ensure your new picture is updated. Now you have successfully changed your profile picture on Google Wallet. Enjoy your refreshed look.